If you have an iPhone, you need to know this. Number 1. Open your settings, scroll down and select Siri and search. Click on Announce Calls, and then select Always. Number 2. Open your shortcut app. Go to Automation. Click on the plus sign up there. Select Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and select Charger. Click on Next. Click Add Action. Search and select Speak Text. Now edit the text. Click Next. Make sure you turn off Ask Before Running. Then hit Done.
Ouch.
And number 3. Open Contacts. Select multiple contacts by using your 2 fingers. Press and hold on one of the selected contacts, and then you can choose to copy, share, or delete contacts. Please subscribe for more interesting tricks.